again. Good job.
Oh, that's... Oh no, I got a little shell.
It's okay, we can get it later. Make sure you get all the egg out.
Now we're gonna add our milk and mix it together.
There you go. Now use the fork and stir it all up. Gently.
Now we're gonna pour our eggs on medium heat.
All the rest of it too.
Okay.
Good job. Perfect.
We add brown sugar to make our ham sweet. Make sure you stir your eggs so that way they don't stick.
Who usually makes these videos with you?
Mommy, but Daddy's doing it.
Yeah, and why are we making this special video?
Because it's Mother's Day.
Yeah. So why do you love Mommy?
Because she gives me hugs and kisses.
Yeah. Are you excited to make her breakfast?
Yeah. Now we're gonna pinch some salt and put on their eggs and pinch some pepper and put on their eggs. Now we're gonna dip our bread into our eggs.
It's okay, we'll wash your hands when you're done. Now what do you have to do?
Put on the brown. I think I need some more dye.
It's okay, just flip it. And swish it around in there.
Not moving because...
Use both hands and just wiggle it around. On the sides maybe. There you go. Alright, now pick it up and drop it on the griddle. Good job. Super great job.
Yay, I did it!
Alright, now you should probably wash your hands.
Yeah. Now we're gonna sprinkle some sugar and cinnamon onto our bread.
Yep, sprinkle it on.
It's not getting.
You gotta pour it a little bit more. Okay, that's enough.
I did it!
You did it.
I really hope that my mommy loves this breakfast.
She's a pretty good mommy, huh?
Yeah.
Good job. Alright, can you get the other one?
I'll try.
It's a little tricky.
Can you scoot my chair?
It's okay, you can do it.
Can I go on my knees
Sure.
for this one? Because over there. Dad, we should have done it one like here and one like there.
Maybe next time. Great job. Alright. What does mommy love on her French toast?
Syrup.
Alright, you want to add some syrup for her?
Yeah.
Make sure you get the other one too. Great job.
On pancakes.
She does like syrup on pancakes too. Alright, maybe you should Tell all the moms out there Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Moms. Love you. Bye. Time for the taste test.
All right. Very good. Thanks for breakfast, Chef Jenny.
Ha.
I love you.